Disconnect the sensor right here. And this one too. Then lose this screw. And pull this inlet hose. Move it to the side, right there. Next, I'm going to remove the 4 Allen bolts. 2 at the bottom, one right here, and 2 at the top. Here I have the 4 bolts that I removed, and here is the throttle body. I have the new throttle body here. Got it from Amazon. Here is the part number if you guys need it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on. I have the throttle body on place. I'm going to reconnect everything and I will get back to you. As you can see, everything has been reconnected. Thank you guys.